study from NCERT Maths, Class 2, Chapter number 10, Adds Up Point, Part 2.
Head and tail. So here we are not talking about this head and that animal's tail. So here we are talking about the toss, which you must have seen in cricket or the other games also. When you toss the coin, जब आप coin उछालते हैं, so that is your head and tail. So this side is your head, where the picture is, where the logo is there. सत्यमेव जयते का जहाँ पे logo होता है, and here where the number is written, that is your tail. जहाँ पे number लिखा होता है, that is your tail, and where logo is there, that is your head. Have you seen two sides of S, one head, a tail? So here you can see where the number is written, one is written, that is your tail. वो क्या होती है आपकी tail होती है. And where the logo is there, that is your head. Samina and Sadiq are playing. The board has numbers from 1 to 99. Each player has a button. They toss a coin. If it is head, the button moves 10 steps. So if Samira is on 6, she moves to 16. Okay? If she gets tail, she moves only one step. Now the game is, so they have a scoreboard. This is a scoreboard of 100 points. Now if they will get head, they will move 10 step. अगर उनका head आता है तो वो 10 step चलते हैं. If they will got tail, they will move only one step. Okay? Got it? अगर head आएगा तो 10 steps and tail आएगा तो only 1 step. So now you also play this game. The one who reaches home first wins the game. Is there a shortcut for 10 steps? Do you think there is a shortcut of this 10 steps? No, only 2 points are there, head or tail. Either you will get head or you will get tail. If you will get head, अगर आपका head आया, so you will move 10 steps. Okay, move ahead 10 steps. आप 10 steps आगे जाएंगे. If you have got tail, you will move only one step. आप 2 at a time. Chintu and Mintu went shopping. They bought some things. To pay, they used notes and coin, but only 2 at a time. Okay, देखो Chintu and Mintu, they went for a shopping, and whenever they were shopping, they were paying one note and one coin. Okay, but only 2 at a time. Only 2 means they were using one note and one coin only. Okay, so out of these, which 2 can they use to buy the things below? They can use the same note or coin more than one time. Okay, so here they have to use one coin and one note. So here they can use 5 rupee note and 5 rupee coin. Okay, so to buy this ball, they have to use only 2 notes or 2 coins. Okay, so here how they can pay? They can pay with 20 rupee notes. Okay, 20 rupee plus 20 rupee. Can use 20 rupee note. ₹20 2 note will make 40 rupees. Here the cost of this shirt is 60 rupees. So how they will pay? They can use 150 rupee note and 110 rupee note. So this doll is of 25 rupees. So how we will pay with only 2 notes or 2 coins? So for this we will pay 20 rupee note and 5 rupee coin. 25, 20 plus 5 is equals to 25. Then pay this. How fast can you add? Belu, what are you doing? Akka, please help me add. Oh, you can add this without writing. Start from 7 and count 5 more. So, as I told you, you have to start from 7 in your mind, and you have to count 5 more. So, for this you can open your fingers. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, the answer is 12 plus. Now, after 12, 3 more is there. So, again you can open 3 fingers. 12, 13, 14, 15. So, the answer is 15. Okay, to add these numbers, what you can do? First, you can add these 2 numbers. आपको पहले ये 2 numbers add करने हैं. Any 2 numbers, you can add these 2 or these 2. It's up to you. Okay. So 7 plus 5 is equals to 7 in your mind, 5 in your finger. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Plus, now what is left? 3 is left. So after 12 we will count 3 more. 12, 13, 14, 15. So the answer is 15. Okay. So I can also add 7 and 3 first to get 10. Okay. You can add any 2 numbers. It's up to you. You can add either 7 plus 3 or 7 plus 5. It's up to you. Okay. So here are some numbers which we will do. 2 I will do, and rest of the questions student will do themselves. आपको अपने आप करने हैं. So that I'll come to know that you have learned. So first, so how we will add? First we will take 2 numbers. Any 2 numbers you can take. You can take either 5 5 or you can take 5 7. Okay. So first I will first. Okay. So 7 in my mind, 5 in my finger. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So after adding these 2 numbers, I have got 12. Now which number is left? 5. So again I will open 5 fingers because 5 is left. जो number बचा है हम उतनी fingers open करेंगे. 5. Okay. So we will count after 12. Okay. 12 के बाद count करेंगे. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So the answer is 17. Okay. Now I will add these 2 numbers first. Earlier I have added these 2 numbers first. पहले मैंने ये दोनों number add किए थे. Now I will add these 2 numbers first. 6 in my mind. It will be good if you will take big number in your mind. Okay, you have to take big number in your mind whenever you are doing addition. जब भी आप addition कर रहे हैं आपको big number अपने mind में रखना है. So 6 in my mind and you have to count till 5. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So after adding these 2 numbers I have got 11. क्या मिला मुझे? 11 मिला. Now which number is left? 4. Okay, after 11 I will count 4. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the answer is 15 here. Okay, is it easy? So how you will do again? You will add these 2 numbers or these 2 numbers. It's up to you. You can add any 2 numbers. You can add 9 plus 1 also, 4 plus 1 also, 9 plus 4 also. It's up to you. Okay. First you will add 2 numbers any two numbers, then whatever answer will come, you have to add the third number on it. Okay, so for example, one more I am showing you. So first, now I am adding these two numbers first. अब मैं ये दोनों नंबर पहले प्लस करती हूँ. 9 plus 1 is equals to, what comes after 9? 10. 10. Now after adding these two numbers, I have got 10. Which number is left now? 4. So 10 plus 4 now I will do. 10 plus 4. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the answer is 14. Okay. So you can do this in this way. You can add first any two numbers, then whatever answer will come, you have to add the third one. Okay. So this you will do it yourself. Lizard. Killer, lizard. A lizard moves from one hole to another. As it moves, it eats insects hidden in the hole. Now the lizard, it moves from one hole to another. Here you can see some holes and numbers are also there. In each hole some insects are there. वहाँ पे कुछ कीड़े हैं जो कौन खाता है? Lizard खाती है. The number of insects in each hole is shown. So if it is written 5 means 5 insects are there. If it is written 9, so 9 insects are there. Okay. So the lizard can move only along the line, but lizard has to move along the line, but उसको line पर ही चलना है. Okay. She cannot jump. Okay. So it has to move on along the line. Line पे ही चलना है उसे. Starting from the blue hole in the picture. Now it will start from blue hole, as you can see here. Hole to eat 18 insects. So to reach third hole, she has to eat 18 insects. उसको 18 insects खाने पड़ेंगे. Goes to 3 holes to eat 18 insects. Now if she will start from the blue hole, as you can see here, the blue hole से start करते हैं, तो lizard go to 3 holes. वो 3 holes में जाएंगे to eat 18 insect और 18 insect को eat करेंगे. So first it will go to 8. Okay. Then 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay. Then it will go to 9. Okay. So 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 9 is equals to, in your mind, 9 in your fingers. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. So here we will add now 8 plus 1 is equals to 9 and 9 plus 9 is equals to, either you can say 9 plus 9. Okay. So here you can do 9 twos also, and if the same 2 digits numbers are there, you can read the table that much time. Okay. If 9 2 times are written, you can say 9 twos are 18, or you can add, simply add also. 9 in my mind, 9 in my finger, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So the answer is 18. Okay. So to add same digit numbers, there are two formulas. One, you can count the tables. Okay. If 9 is written 2 times, you will say 9 twos are. If the 9 is written 3 times, you can say 9 threes are. Any number, if whatever numbers are written, same numbers, if it is written 5 times, you can say 2 fives are. Okay. So the answer will be same. Either you can add or multiply. Okay. Answer will be same. अगर आप 9 twos आ करेंगे, that is also 18. If you will add 9 plus 9, answer will be same, 18 only. So what path can the lizard take to eat 12 insects? Now to eat 12 insects, which path it will take? Let's see. So for 2, then 1, 2 plus 1 is equals to 3, 3 plus 9. So let's count. First 2, then 1, then 9. So 9 plus 1 is equals to 10, and 10 plus 2 is equals to 10, 11, 12. So the answer is 12. What path can the lizard take to eat 20 insects? Now it want to eat 20 insects. Now how it will eat? In which holes now it will go? कौन से होल्स पे जाएगी? 3, 8, 9. So let's see whether it is making 20 or not. 3, 9, 8. You can take any 3 numbers, okay, which makes 20. आपको कोई भी 3 ऐसे नंबर लेने हैं जिन तीनों को ऐड करके 20 आए. So let's first count. So 9 plus 3. So 9 in my mind we will count 3. Add 3. 9, 10, 11, 12. Here 12. Now 12 plus 8. 12 in my mind. 8 in my fingers. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So the answer is 20. So this is the correct path. Next is, this time the lizard goes to 4 holes to eat insects. Now earlier it was going to 3 holes. Now the lizard is going to 4 holes. अब वो 4 holes पे जा रही है. So what path does the lizard take to eat 18 insects? अब 18 insects खाने के लिए how many holes she will cross? So first plus 3. 6 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can go to 8, 9. Let's open 8 fingers. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. But we have to make 18. 17 plus 1. So 8. So this is the correct path. So here we will write 6, 3, 8, and 1. Okay, so this, if it will go to this path, the insect can eat 18 insects. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 9, then again we will add 8 more. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And 17 plus 1 is equals to 18. So next is, what path does the lizard take for 12 insects? Now let's see what path lizard take for 12 insects. To eat 12 insects, what path it will take? So let's find out. Let's take her to first 9, 10, 11. 9 plus 2, 9, 10, 11. And now let's add one more. 12. So these 4 holes it will go to eat 12 insects. 3, 6, 2, 1. So let's write here 3, 6, 2, 1. So it will make 12. It will make 12. Playtime. And Sadiq are now playing another game on the board of heads and tails. They throw 2 dice and add the numbers to get their points. Now what they are doing? Now instead of using coin, now they are using dice. You must have seen this dice at your home. You must have played Ludo with it. Okay, आपने लूडो खेला होगा इससे. You too can play this game. Throw your dice and write your point. Now what you have to do? You just have to take dice, have dice, and you can throw it, and the whatever number is coming you can write down on paper. Okay, आपको वो अपने पेपर पे लिखना है. How many points are these? So you have to make this chart. First is begin at when you start, when first time you throw, which number you have got, and the second time if you are throwing, which number you have got. Suppose in first time if I have thrown, I have got 6, so here I will write 6, and second throw if I have got 4, so I will write 4 here. So here we will write the numbers.